Alright, welcome back to another review. Today we are going to talk about the one and the only ACS Composites splash guards. I'm a firm believer that every review should get its own unique little twist, and most people put them on the car. They drive the car around, they clean the car, and then they show you the results. So here are the results on a car that has not been cleaned. The idea of the splash guards is to keep the actual crap off of the car. So if you look really closely, this car is, oh, it doesn't want to focus, is really, really dirty. But if you look at the patterns in the dirt, everything is running down. That's because it rained. That's because I've been driving it in the dirt. I park it on a gravel driveway, which means every time a vehicle comes in, we get UPS, FedEx, Purelator every day in that gravel part, and a huge dust storm coats this car. You can see it on the hood here. It's pretty dirty. By my CAMARO guy standards, this is absolutely filthy. But as you can tell, there's absolutely no streaking up the car like there used to be. You used to get those nice, like, feather-shaped dirt patches that run up the car, but now everything is flat because it is literally just sitting dust, or it's water that has run down the car. There's nothing actually hitting the body. That's why I put the side skirts on to begin with. I really wanted to catch anything getting flung lengthways at the car, rocks and, you know, whatever debris, etc. It acted like a baseball glove off the side of the car. These are the next step. The problem with splash guards and the OEM splash guards, which are cheaper, is you cannot do them with side skirts. So do you do side skirts or do you do splash guards? Most people will just do splash guards and call it a day. I wanted side skirts as well. I love the look, I love the functionality, I love the concept of how much crap they keep off the car, how beaten the rocker panels get from all the dirt and debris on the roads over the high mileage this car is going to see over the many, many years I own it. So I feel like having both is the best of both worlds. I'm going to keep as much as possible off the car. But if I had to clean this, it's just going to look like yet another clean car, and you guys won't get to see what it's like after, what, I've got probably 600 miles since I've washed it. I've went to a wedding, I've been here, I've been there, it's been dusty, dirty, thunderstorms, you name it. You can see it on the rim even. It's pretty dirty, the car right now. So I'm very, very impressed with the splash guards overall. ACS did a great job. They fit absolutely perfect. To be honest, nobody actually knew I did it. They all, you know, I'm asking, you know, did you see the new mod I did? And every single person was like, no, I didn't see anything different about the car until I pointed it out. It is a very clean, simple, sleek, yet very effective form of adding splash guards to your car. Keeping side skirts, they work with all side skirts. They work on ZL1s, they work on absolutely everything, which is great. Absolutely fantastic. The only difference between these and the OEM, the actual body line of the car is right here. They work forward rather than the OEM, which come back onto the body of the car, which is the difference between them working and not working. And it actually tightens up the look and the fitment on the wheel well just a little bit. It just closes that wheel gap just a little bit. Great, great, absolutely fantastic. Huge shout out to ACS Composites for hooking me up. They're a great company. Their products are absolutely top quality. I'm just looking forward to doing more with them, getting more of their aero kit on my car. So far, we have full ACS end-to-end, and I love them. They work great. So, leave your comments below, questions, anything I can help you guys with. Until next time, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.